So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video I am going to share something personal with you right now. Means in this video you are going to learn that how you can enjoy the process of speaking in English. So that is why I want you to please watch this video to more about how you can enjoy the process as I enjoy. But yes, before I dive into it, I want you to please, if you are first time on this channel, so I want you to please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of relevant content. Okay, so let's come into the video. Guys, actually to be honest, even I don't know how to speak English a few months ago, right? But right now, as you can see, I am able to speak English because I figured out along the way that how to actually enjoy the process of learning English. So that is why guys, I want you to please watch this video so that you get to know how I learn English. That's how I enjoy the process, and if you enjoy the process, that means you are more likely to learn a lot. But if you are demotivated while learning, so you are not going to learn, right? So that is why I want you to please watch the video until it ends. Actually there are 3 tips I am going to share with you guys, and that's through you can improve your fluency, or I can say you can learn English by using these three techniques, sorry, right? So first one is grammar. Yes guys, before we thinking about speaking, first you have to make sure that you are knowledgeable about grammar, because guys, if you don't know even simple sentences like I am going, then you shouldn't think about speaking, right? Because it's a very beginning sentence, right? So means first you have to make sure that you understand simple sentences, right? And then day by day you have to practice and you have to level up your grammar. Just like if you are learning today like I am going, so next day you should learn I have been going. So can you guys see the difference between, right? So that's how you have to first improve your grammar, right? So that is why I also want you to please watch this first before you thinking about speaking, right? And next is listening. Yes, listening is very crucial for in order for you to speak English. Guys, if you listen more, that means you understand the pronunciation, right? You catch the pronunciation whatever the speaker said in your video, or whatever or whose video you are watching, right? Means sometimes you have to watch English content in which context you want to improve, right? Such as if I talk about me, I mostly make blogging videos. That means I should watch blogging videos. But if you want to fluent on in other contexts, then you have to watch some in that context, right? And now you might have a question, Nakul, I don't understand while I am listening. Guys, initially everyone has gone through it, right? So means a few days ago I was also gone through it, so that is why you are also going through it. Means you are also struggling to understand the every word or every single sentences, right? So that is why don't worry, just keep listening. But sooner or later you will gonna understand the whole sentence, whatever you are watching or listening, right? So that is why keep on listening, right? So last but not the least, that is vocabulary improving, right? Guys, the most powerful techniques that I'm going to give you right now is means this technique through you can learn a lots of English vocabulary in a day. Yes, but you have to be consistent on it, right? So the first thing, in order for you to memorize more vocabulary, first you have to watch the video. Like right now you are watching this video, right? So just after watching, you have to click the title of this video, and then you will get to see the feature of transcript, right? And when you click the transcript, then you will get to see the entire conversation, matlab whatever I am talking right now, you will get to see in text, right? So just after watching, you have to read once at least, right? You will see, then while reading you will get to see a lots of words, right? And that you are not sure, right? So the word that you are not sure, so you have to jot it down in your notebook, right? And also if you want, you can write even its sentence, because means in order for you to make it easier to memorize vocabulary faster, you have to learn its sentence with, right? So that's how you can understand the context of this word, that how you should use the word, right? Means that's how you have to learn vocabulary, right? And instead, if you learn words in isolation, then you are more likely to forget, right? So that is why I want you to please use the technique whatever I tell you to do, right? Okay, so that's all for today, guys, because even I don't know how to speak fluent English, right? So that is why I do not want to make this video unnecessarily longer, right? So that's all for today, and give it a thumbs up. And if you think that this video means, what is your opinion about this video? If you have learned something, even one sentence or one word, so please let us know in the comment below, because just after reading your tippani I will be happy. So that's all for today, and bye bye.